Next will be Indian Cultural Dance, followed by NDC Cultural Dance. Kithanse.
Yeah, Judy Kithanse. Our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Angulya Kithanse, the Crown Prince of the Angulya Kingdom. They are following me. Yes, sir. I'm here to tell you an oral narrative called the Battle of Kyulu. You know, it is important for me to tell you first thing. The Angulya people are a little known Bushman sub-ethnic group of the Akamba people, the indigenous people of Tsavo, until 1936, when we were evicted by the British colony. 78 years in exile. I count those years in tears. You know, the Akamba people, and by extension the Angulya people, are seriously screwed in battle. We are very good soldiers, you know. We don't only fight, and we're not only fighting with arrows. We use also, we could use our tongues to subdue our enemies and dance on them. Yes, we did that. Did I just say that? Well, that's a story for another day. Tsavo is so powerful that we could get entertainment from the people who are supposed to be fighting for us. And if worse went to worse, we could transform ourselves mysteriously and become an antelope or a rhino, and they would go looking for us and we smile. Did I read somewhere that the man-eaters of Tsavo are lions? Get it from the Crown Prince of the Angulya people. Those are not lions. I know them, they are my ancestors. That is Dinda and Kayamba. They had only transformed themselves to defend their mother's territory. I pray to Mulungu that before I get a lot of gray hair, I will have to repatriate my ancestors back to Tsavo. Oh, Mulungu, please help me repatriate my brothers, Dinda and Kayamba, back to Tsavo. A story for another day. You see, chief guests, I am here to declassify very serious military knowledge, and it is important for you to understand. Before I go back to Angulya Hills to my shrine, I will have to need a white goat, and I think you can take care of that business. I have taken an oath that I will never talk about the secrets that I took an oath. This is demilitarized. This is now declassification. The Battle of Kyulu. You see, being hunters and gatherers, we had neighbors, but we had developed a big enmity between us and the Maasai people, and we had to sit down and find a way we could coexist together. Then, because we were militarily well trained, and we had very many platoons, actually I will mention them. We had one platoon called the platoon of Ngadi, the sharpshooters. We also had another platoon, a platoon of Malela, those who are still in the class. And we had the platoon of Tsavo. Don't ask me what I did. This one works better than Bluetooth, Mr. Safaricom, you know. So, on this fateful day, we had drawn the battle lines at a river, around Kiboko River. Actually, the river was later named Manjubongo, which loosely translates to fake arrows. Let me declassify this military secret now. It could actually add some value to the Kenyan military. Do you know what we did? Our advanced team of Ngadi people proceeded to the battleground. And then the Malela followed. And you know what they used to do? The Malela could shoot in the air. And as our opponent waited to receive the arrows, the Ngadi could hit them at their bellies. And you know we had points on the arrows. That was not the solution. We thought that killing each other would not solve a solution. We had to sit down. So we sent our emissaries to the Maasai people, and they said it was time for us to sit down and have a conversation. Because we were all created by Mulungu, and Tsavo was given to us not to fight over each other, but to use what God had put in that crowd. So we chose a place where we met. We slaughtered a bull, and we shook hands, and we struck Kevito. That is an oath that no Maasai and no Angulya or Akamba would fight each other over Graceland. different wavelength. I am speaking to my ancestors. I call you Musambi Wanzise, my great-grandfather, the warrior of the Mbakanya people. Father, look behind you. Yes. Yes, behind you. Yes. Those elders. With the coins like the one I'm wearing. But theirs is more orange and blue. Yes, they are the Samburu. Yes, my great-grandfather. Look at your left. Those are the elders of the Pokot people. And on the right, yes, that tall dark man, that is a Turkana. I said to my great-grandfather, please go and sit down with those ancestors of my sons, of my brothers and sisters from Tiati, my brothers and sisters from Samburu, my brothers and sisters from Turkana. Please tell them that you struck Kibito and that nobody should fight with another person over Graceland. Please tell those ancestors to come home to their children and tell them that Kibito is going to finish them. I pray that nobody is going to fight over there with the neighbors because of land. After all, everything which has been put here, we were given by God to share. We live together. We share Mother Africa. We share the wilderness. And I think, because I have another story to tell, and I told you, they were following me. Please let me go back to Kikumbulu. It is very far. And tomorrow, I must be in the shrine.
Let us escort him with a hand of applause. Umoga sana ujamaa hiyo kubudu. Okay, thank you very much.